Go. Okay, this is a video of Ava's kids.
Come here, puppies. Look at you guys.
You like the floppy one. It's fun.
Come get your daddy.
It's fun.
There's two girls in here, the blue collar and orange collar. All the other ones are boys. I think you said the black and white one is sold?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Going to Bozeman, Montana?
Montana, uh-huh.
Come here, puppies. They're out exploring. Playing with the binkies.
Now the one with the orange collar's got the most brindling.
Come here, puppy dogs. Come here.
They're black with some brindling.
Oh my goodness, look at you. Look at you. Oh my, yeah. Oh my. I've never been so ignored in my life. What's going on? What's going on here? Oh, y'all just exploring? This is a good one here. Yes. You give me loving. Oh, Miss Orange. Miss Orange? Yes, oh my goodness. How about you, Miss Green? Mr. Green? That one there sure likes his toys.
Uh-huh.
You're just a toy monster.
Yes, he is. That's it. That's mine. I claim it.
Here's the other girl, Blue. Missy Blue. Oh, Missy. Right now they're all busy being puppies.
Yep.
They all got theirs up too, don't they?
Yep. They'll be 8 weeks old here in just a couple of days. Be ready to go.
You like the crackling? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Miss Orange again. Are you Miss Personality? Are you
See the lover?
of the bunch?
Yeah.
Are you the lover of the bunch? Yeah. This easy video, just let them do their thing. You're having such a good time. Yes, you are. Come, Mr. Red. I like the giraffe.
Mm-hmm.
What's the doggy? Doggy gets you. Doggy gets you. Well, once he gets a toy, that's it.
Yep. He's claimed that one. That's
I only
it.
have one toy in mind.
Yeah. That's it. That's mine, he says. It gives it value. Everybody else wants it. Oh, you gonna get the doggy?
No, cute doggy. Hello, you. Who are you, huh?
An orange collar girl
Orange
again.
Yeah, Mrs. Orange. Mr. Orange. Yeah. Hi, you. Hello, you. You want a butt rub? You want a butt rub? You gotta protect my face. You got claws.
Hi, mister. Hi, kiddos. Checking out my shoes.
Puppy dogs, come here. Come on, puppy dogs. Come on, puppy dogs. Come here. Come here, oh my goodness. It almost worked.
You're not as good as a toy. Oh, they're like, what's that over there? She wants to go out and visit with everybody.
Come here, puppies. Come on. Once one comes, they'll all come. Come here. Except Miss Orange. Now she's over there fascinated with
Well, she wants
the
to
outside world.
check out the other dogs over there.
If there's another world out there. Doodles! Doodles! Come here! Oh, Miss Orange, you're too easy. You're too easy. Yeah, come here, Miss Red. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Mr. Blue! Missy Blue. Missy Blue! Oh my goodness. They're all happy.
Yeah.
We're having a wonderful time. It's like kids at Six Flags or something. Come here. Come here.
He's got that floppy toy again. Keeps trying to drag it off, but the other one's there. Oh! Oh,
she's stepping on it. She's going.
He's stepping on it, yeah. Oh.
Hello, you. Hello, you. Hi. Hi. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness.
Now that's the red color. No, that's the orange.
This is orange.
He can't decide between which of those two fuzzy floppy ones that he likes. Isn't that funny? They don't like the cotton knobby ones that I got him very much. Oh, there he's got it. No, not as good. Not as good. What's over there? Hmm? What's over there?
Come here, Missy Blue. Come here, Missy Blue. What you doing? Is you being silly? Huh? You being silly, girl? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I don't think there's any Democrats in it, so as the Democrats would love to see New Democrats as a candidate. I think a lot of Republicans and those that know him best are the ones that are terrified that he could become.
What do you got over there? Hmm? Who's that? That's Delilah. Be a good girl, Delilah.
Puppy dogs? Come here, puppy dogs. Get with it. Yeah. Smell my shoe?
Say, oh, Daddy, you stepped in dog poo. Stepped in some dog poo somewhere.
Come here, puppies.
She says, I'll come see you.
Come here.
Oh, there they are.
Everybody get over here. Come on, family reunion. Group hug. Group hug. Come on. Come on. Don't give me hugs. Don't give you a hug, Daddy.
They are just busy. Busy, busy, busy.
You get to see they all have pretty even personalities.
Well,
Not much difference temperamental-wise amongst them.
well,
Except you're the one who wants to come in and get all the kisses and love and talk.
yeah.
Oh, you're giving lots of kisses now. Yes, you are. You're giving lots of kisses now. Snort, snort, snort. Snort, snort.
Oh.
Was you aiming for a belly rub? Huh? Was you aiming for a belly rub? They're pretty good. They're pretty good. You want one? Huh? Did you want one? You flip you over and give you a belly rub? Huh? We just lots of love. We just lots of love. Yes, I know. Yeah, I know. So I think you'll see the higher
I think that they are talking about
I don't think they realize they're stepping on that squeaky toy and making it do that.
think about it, we'll have to see what it looks like.
Here they are.
Here they are.
Say goodbye, kids.
Say bye-bye, everybody. Oh. Black and white one's got to say a special hello to his new mommy and daddy in Montana, so get a hold of him so we can get a close-up. They're brave souls. They're going to drive all the way to come and get him next week.
Say hi to your mommy and daddy.
Say hi, Mom and Dad.
I'm doing good.
Yes, I'm doing good. I can't wait for you to get here.
You get scratched on your nose?
I can't wait.
Oh, you get a little scratch on your nose.
Aw. There he is.
Look.
Ooh.
Okay.